Today we're diving into a game-changing piece of tech that's perfect for professionals, students, and anyone who values productivity on the go. Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Paula. Today we're going to be talking about the Viaim RecDot AI wireless earbuds. At first glance, the RecDot may appear unassuming, just like any regular set of earbuds, with a design that feels very familiar. But these earbuds are packed with features that puts them in a category all on their own. First, let's talk about Viaim and their vision. Viaim is a cutting-edge AI technology hardware company focused on smart office solutions. Founded in 2021, its mission is to help professionals work more efficiently and live better by using AI to streamline repetitive tasks, boosting both productivity and creativity. Viaim's flagship product, the RecDot AI-powered earbuds, embodies this vision with features like real-time transcription and translation, one-tap recording without an app, and AI-generated summaries and to-do lists. For this video, we've partnered up with Viaim to test these out, so thank you to our friends at Viaim for letting us try these and give an honest review. Let's begin. So let's unbox the Viaim RecDot. So I have here the package. So the Viaim RecDot comes in two colors, the silver and the black. I have here the silver color. Ta-da! Wow, okay. So it has both chrome and frosted finishes on the case. Hope you slide it up nice and solid. And then of course the earbuds themselves. Ooh, it has the same type of chrome finish. The material is made of mostly plastic, which attributes to its lightweight factor. Underneath we have the manual, which is going to come in handy once we set it up later. Some earbud tips, it looks like. You can just slide it out. Oh, it looks like it fell out of its pockets, but they should all be in there. It looks like they're offered in 3 sizes, extra small, small, and large. I'm assuming that by default, the ones that come on the actual earbuds are medium-sized ear tips. Lastly, you have a nice little charging cable here, which I believe these are USB-C rechargeable. So yep, comes with a bright orange USB-C cable. I like that it's a good size, nice and portable and easy to travel with. And of course, very securely, the earbuds can fit in here very easily. So if I were to just replace one, and the other should just pop right in here. And it's nice and magnetic, and you're good to go. Now that we've unboxed the RecDot, there's a couple of features that is on the actual case itself. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. First thing you notice when you have the case, you just slide it to open so that you can access your earbuds. Another innovative feature is flash record. With a simple press of the button inside your charging case, you can start recording conversations or meetings, even if the earbuds aren't connected to any devices. The earbuds themselves also has gestures for you to adjust the volume and also pause and play your media or start and stop transcription. On the outside of the case, there's going to be an indicator light here at the front. For me, it was kind of hard to tell which one the front is because if you're not familiar with the orientation of the symbol, rule of thumb that I have is the USB port is on the back, and that's how you know that it's supposed to be facing this way when you slide it upwards like this. There's also a multifunction button located right next to the USB-C port, and that's what you'll use to pair the earbuds to other devices. As far as charging, Viaim did include their own USB-C cord. Though it's a little bit on the shorter side, it is conveniently available for you. But of course, you can use any other USB-C cables to power this earbuds. The light indicator at the front will flash green when there's sufficient battery power and red when it is running a little bit low. For the ear tips, it does come with 4 sizes, so it comes in extra small, small, medium, and large. One standout feature is the real-time transcription and translation capabilities. Imagine attending a meeting or even a lecture and having everything transcribed for you on the spot, and you can select from 13 different languages. This functionality is a total game changer for global collaboration and learning. The built-in memory stores the audio, ensuring you never miss important details. And all of this will be found in your Viaim app. So as far as the gestures, there are controls that you can do to the earbuds to control your media. So if you do press, you can play, then I'll start playing right there. You can also do double press to switch to the next song, which I found it to be on the left side. All right, so now I just skipped song. Triple press if you wanted to do previous song, and that's gonna be on the right earbud again. So I repeated the song, and you can hear that there's a click every time the gesture is recognized, which is nice. You can also do long press to start and stop recording, and I can hear the beep, kind of like when you start recording a video. That's the start of your recording. So now I'm gonna stop by just giving it another squeeze, and then it also stopped recording. You can slide on the earbuds themselves to increase and decrease the volume, and I can hear it changing, and that is correspondent to both sides. So that's kind of nice. So yeah, those are just a handful of gestures to remember. You can also customize the settings on your own in the Viaim app. So I just tried the transcription. I chose to play audio on my laptop instead of me talking. I wanted to see how well the earbuds would pick up someone else's audio instead of me who's actually wearing it, and see, I guess, how accurate the transcription would be. I decided to play audio from one of my favorite poets when I was in college. This is audio from Rudy Francisco, and I just had it play in the background, and basically this is what the transcription looked like. So if I go into the Viaim app again, and this is what it came out to have. So it's not perfect by any means. However, I feel like the accuracy is pretty high for this one, and I recorded a total of 2 minutes and 6 seconds of audio. It even breaks it up for you when the speaker pauses, so it'll start a whole new paragraph. So I was pretty impressed with that, how accurate that was. So I also decided to play an audio in Spanish. It actually ended up being a song. So this one was a Spanish greeting song. This is what the transcription looks like. I would say it's a little less accurate than the English version. However, it's still not too bad. That's pretty normal for most transcription anyway, but again, pretty nice to have. I also wanted to point out that for the English audio, I had it recorded while one of the earbuds is in the case. So I just hit the flash record on the case itself, and then it basically listens into the earbuds that's in the case. And then I also had it listen while it's in my ears, and that's what I used for the Spanish version. So now it's listening to the mic that's in my earbuds, and I feel like both was pretty accurate. Like I said, they picked up the transcription pretty well. Definitely a great tool to have, especially if you are looking to take notes in something. So maybe you're in class or in a meeting. This is gonna be a really handy tool for you to have. The RecDot earbuds also excel in noise reduction, offering up to 48 decibels of active noise cancellation. This means clearer audio during calls and an immersive experience when listening to music or podcasts. Battery life is crucial for any wireless device, and RecDot does not disappoint. You get up to 9 hours of use on a single charge, with the charging case extending that to 36 hours. Plus, a quick 20-minute charge gives you 70% battery life, easily keeping you powered through the day. So whether you're in a busy office or a noisy cafe, the combination of triple microphones and a bone conduction microphone ensures your voice is captured easily thanks to deep neural network noise reduction algorithms. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth 5.2, and the earbuds support dual device connection, allowing you to switch devices between your laptop and your phone easily. Voice control features are also available, allowing you to manage your tasks hands-free. Durability isn't overlooked either. With an IP55 rating, the RecDot earbuds are resistant to dust and water, making them suitable for both administrative work or school, or for more durable uses like working out. The Viaim RecDot earbuds go beyond just audio. They're an AI-powered tool built to streamline your workflow and communication, as well as for everyday use. Equipped with real-time transcription, flash record, advanced noise cancellation, and a long-lasting battery life, they deliver a powerful all-in-one solution for today's professionals. And that's all I have for you today. If you wanted to check out the Viaim RecDot earbuds, I will go ahead and leave their information in the description down below. If you guys liked this video or found the information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up down below and subscribe for more tech and gear related videos on the channel. Thanks again. again for watching, and I will see you in the next